Okay, Lou Depot back here with part 2 of the solar hot water explanation. And this is a solar system with one pump. And basically what this is a storage tank. They use them with boilers too. They call them superstore storage tank. It basically has a coil inside the tank where it's separate from the other water in the tank. So this is a circulator pump, this blue triangle here, pumping into the tank, and what it does is it simply pumps the glycol or the antifreeze, the very hot antifreeze from the solar panels, down into this coil inside the tank and back up to the panel, and it circulates, and this gets red hot in here from the sun. And the meanwhile, inside this tank is actually your cold water that you shower with, that eventually gets hot for free through the hot from the sun. So you actually have a cold water line going in, high pressure feeding the tank, and hot out to your shower. So basically this tank works off water pressure, cold in, hot out, but the water doesn't get hot through fuel. It gets hot from the sun, from the solar. And that circulating system keeps that water hot in there, and it's even hot at night from being hot all day in the sun. Again, these tanks have a backup electric wire with a coil in it where you can actually it'll turn on its own in case there is no sun for a few days and that water starts to cool. It becomes an electric hot water heater, and you can take a shower that way. For the most part, the sun does it. Remember, with any solar, or at least here in the Northeast, any solar job, one flat of your roof has to face south, southeast, or southwest to get 100% of the sun as it comes around. So remember that, at least in this area here, where in the northeast part of the United States, and our roofs, are at least one flat of the roof where the panels are going to be, need to face the southish. South, southeast, southwest. Anything more than that, you'll get some, but you won't get 100% of the sun. It may not be worth it after a while.